Insomnia, or trouble falling or staying asleep, is a condition that affects millions of people. A study by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention found that 9 million Americans are regular users of prescription sleep medication. A problem is that standard sleep medications disrupt REM sleep. What's more, humans develop a tolerance to sleep medications and supplements such as melatonin. The best way to combat insomnia is to strengthen your unconscious association between your bedroom and sleep. Many people who report problems with insomnia also perform other activities. While sitting in bed, they watch movies, work on the computer, make calls, and even eat meals. The unconscious systems that regulate your sleep associate all these non-sleep activities with your bed. Over time, after you change your associations with your bedroom, your unconscious mind will learn to sleep normally again. If you put a tired body into a fully dark, quiet, cool, comfortable space and make it lay very still for a while, it is very likely to fall asleep.